Good morning. My name is Jamie Grady, and I'm a senior chemistry student at Valdosta State University. For my senior independent research project, I chose to do something that would be related to my future plans of being a cosmetic chemist. My project's title is Sunless Tanning Additives to Provide Sun Protection. In my research, I found that sunless tanning products typically provide about an SPF of 4, which is not nearly enough. If you're familiar with sunless tanning products, they are a dihydroxyacetone-derived product that causes the Maillard reaction within the amino acids of our epidermis, which causes a tan. I found in my research that titanium dioxide, which is a typically used sunscreen ingredient, can be synergistically used with vitamin C to increase solubility to the skin and cause a lasting sun protection over a course of a few days, and even when after washing the skin. The sunless tanning product works sort of in the same way. Once it's applied, it develops in the skin, and then it lasts over a few days. So my goal with this project was to add a synergistic titanium dioxide and vitamin C solution to a commercially available sunless tanning solution so that while you are tan, you are still protected by the sun. I created a skin model using colorless, flavorless gelatin, deposit that over glass slides, and then I used my different solutions that contained, one was just the tan solution, one had tan and titanium dioxide, one had tan and vitamin C, and the last one had tan and the synergistic compound. In figure 3, you can see my results that I got from absorbance measurements using a UV-Vis spectrophotometer with the sample set in figure 2. I did find that with the synergistic compound and the tan, there was a lower absorbance, which could indicate that when this product is deposited on the skin, less light would absorb the skin, therefore causing a sort of sun protection. In future experiments, I do plan to do a similar experiment with these compounds in solution and take absorbances before and after irradiation using an ultraviolet lamp to see whether or not the UV light does degrade the compounds just the same way that the sun would, and to what degree. In figure 4, this sort of served as a sort of calibration curve for my experiment. I did an absorbance measurement with the glass slide alone, the gel on the glass slide, and then the tan solution only deposited on one of each of those. So in conclusion, this synergistic compound that I created to add to a commercially available sunless tanning solution could possibly provide some sun protection, but further investigation and experiment will be needed to further conclude that this is in fact the case. Thank you for your time.